Hey guys, it is Tiffany Jasmine and I am back with another video today. And today is more of just a what would you call this, like chores, run errands with me? Yeah. Like chores, run errands with me type of vlog. And I'm gonna take Wink with me because Derek is gonna be working all day today on the computer and everything. Say hi. Say hi. Feet getting chunky. Like a, what did we say? Run errands, chores with me type video. So right now I'm about to get ready to start the day off and pick up Tiara because Tiara is gonna help me out with me because Derek's gonna be at home. So I really need help with Phoenix, just, you know, getting groceries and all that stuff, but whatever. So y'all make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on my socials and watch my latest videos. And yeah, let's get started into this video. Say hi, Derek. Alright guys, see you later. Phoenix. So I wanted to show you guys Phoenix can stand on his own, huh, Wink? He has his falls here and there, but he can stand, y'all. He can stand. Right, y'all, let's head to run these errands. And yeah, just follow me.
What's that about?
Okay, you guys, I throw my hat on because my hair is not cooperating and Tiara's taking forever, but she's actually coming to the car right now. Alrighty, getting the car washed. I just took this out the car. Just sitting on there. Alright, just washed the car without Tiara's help. And we're getting Starbucks because I'm starving and I just need a quick little snack. Grande iced matcha latte with soy milk. So I'm in Target now with tea. Thing about coming to Target is I don't look at my list, and I haven't been paying attention to my list, and I've been putting everything in my cart. We're at Ralph's now. Yeah, guys, so Phoenix wants to be on cam. Say hi, Wink. Say hi. Say cheese. Guys, so we're storaged up Phoenix is grumpy, so we got the Kiwi playing in the background. And we got one more stop, you guys, and then we're done. And then I gotta head home and just do more things. I don't want to hear the radio. Whatever, babe. Jeez. 19, 20. Sitting here, stuck in the traffic. Last stop, guys. Well, not really, but it's the last stop. And we're done for the day. And then I gotta clean the house up. I'm back at home. Exhausted. And let's get ready to do a fast forward clip. I've been putting all this stuff up. Like that. Alright, you guys, that's the end of my video. You guys seen how super busy I was, and I'm about to just enjoy my that's the end of this vlog. Well, not vlog, I guess. I don't know what you can call it. Enjoy my tamale. And call it a night. Say goodnight, Wink. Say goodnight. Yeah, you guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Tiffany Jasmine is out. Bye.